wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight.
Well, hello sunshine and sparkles. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. Real quick, go ahead and destroy that thumbs up button, the like button for our video sponsors, Toyo Tresses. All of their information can be found in the description box below, but in this video I'm pretty excited because these are not the normal crochets. This is their ocean wave and I'm really into it. You guys know that when it comes to protective styles, I like to have a little bit of variety and I like to be able to switch it up very fast. So I am so in love with making wigs out of crochet braids and, you know, different crochet locks and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's what we are doing in this video. I went ahead and just put braids going straight to the back in this lace wig. Of course, the smaller you make these braids, the more intricate and the more, you know, defined and more professional it'll look and stuff, but that's not really what we're going for. This is for something quick and cute and easy. All right, so that is why we are doing it like this. But let me know in the description box below if you do want a video where I do the braids really small so I can make it look like perfection. Let me know in the comments below. But I love you guys so very much. Again, make sure you check the links in the description box below for all of the information on this crochet. Yes, and let's relax and
just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, hear me out. Like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. No, no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now, yeah, yeah. Don't leave, wait a minute. Let me make up for the wrongs I did. I did. I'm just a human, I admit it. What will it take for you to forgive me? Forgive me. If you decide to leave, you would help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you would give me another chance. Oh, whoa. So tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now. Oh, can we find love? Can we go back? All I want is to love you, yeah. Start all over. Tell me now, tell me now.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. 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 I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl. Old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa, or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? same? When you're touching my body, girl. When you're touching my body, go. I want it, and I need it, and I'm on it, I'm on it. Are you the same? 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 Are you the same?